Hey Margaret, I thought I'd just make a quick video to show you how to do this in R. So I'm going to email you the link to download R, and once you've done that, then I'll also email you the Word file that has the script, and I'll show you how to do it. So here's R. So I just open it. This is what it looks like. And then what I've done in the Word file is left paragraph breaks for things where you need to do them one thing first and then pause and then do another thing. So for example, I'm going to copy and paste this first part and put it in R. And then I hit enter and it has me choose where I'm coming from. So we're picking Oregon. And it downloads a few of the extra things you need to do the word frequency. So, you'll wait a minute for that. Yep, so we're good with that part. So now we move on to the next part. This is where you're going to add the file. So again, copy and paste. And once you hit enter, then it's going to ask you to pick something. Now the text with the book blurb stuff needs to be in a TXT file. So I have this from my Amazon blurb copy, but just note that it does need to be in a TXT file. All right, so once you've done that, then you're going to load it as a corpus and enter this text. And then you'll inspect the doc. So you can see, all my stuff there. And then you're going to be doing things just to make sure that it's in the right format and everything's lowercase and all of that sort of thing, and that it's clear what certain symbols mean. So that's what these next two are. So take these. Okay. And then the last thing that we do is actually then doing the word frequency. So you can see this has a head of 10 here, and so you can add, if you want to have a word list of 100 of the most frequent words, then you can do that, but right now, it's set for 10. So if we do it this way, then you can see which books come up, or which words come up. So yeah, I hope that helps as you're navigating that for your research paper stuff.